Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today, we will be testing a moving average and MACD strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a MACD and moving average strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 666 strategies. Eek, don't be frightened. With 181 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 79 different strategies. And out of those 79 different strategies, we've made every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 79 different strategies, we have a combined weekly profit of $86,000. And the best single weekly profit from one strategy was $7,300. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average and MACD strategy. The source video title says Best MACD Trading Strategy for Scalping, Simple and Profitable. And now, as far as the source video goes, it seems pretty straightforward. As far as the best MACD strategy, of course, we will put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. As far as it being simple and profitable, again, we'll see if it's profitable. And with it being simple, it does seem relatively simple. And so as you guess, the first indicator that we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD indicator. And so this is just the standard moving average convergence divergence. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on it and add it to the screen. Everything stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be a EMA. Again, this is just a standard built-in moving average exponential. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen as well. This one, we are going to jump into the settings and you will want to change the length to 200. Under the styles, you can bump up the line weight and change it to whatever color you want. I just bumped up the line weight to the next step there, kept it on the blue. Go ahead and click OK. We'll go ahead and turn off this for the moment. So for a short trade setup, what we are looking for, according to the source video, is we are looking for when price is trading below the 200 period moving average. We're then looking down to the MACD indicator. And what we want is we want the two MACD lines to cross. And not only do they need to cross, but they need to cross above the zero line. So the zero line is right here running down the middle. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the dashed line right there. And you can see that we get the cross right here. That would be our signal to then enter into a short. Now, I coded all this into a simple indicator like so. And so now what we're looking for is just simply the red down triangles like this here, and that would give us our signal to then enter into the short. We'd set our trade right here, put our stop just right here at the top of this little pivot there, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price making this really nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this strategy. So we'll just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay. Where's price at? There it is. And we will turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Let's go ahead and we'll hide the MACD. Give it just a moment to load. We'll hide the moving average as well. All right, so results. We have right at a 36% win rate, 179 trades altogether. Looked back about 21,000 bars and about 3 months worth of trading. Puts our total profit and loss at negative $13,174. Puts our total profit and loss per week at negative $874. So as far as being simple, yeah, simple, profitable, it doesn't appear so. And this is a very basic strategy. Honestly, if it worked really that well, just about everybody would be using it, but it doesn't always work out that way. Now, of course, we played around with the settings, tweaked a few things, came up with some better results using the Nexus backtest indicator. Now we have right at a 31% win rate, 184 trades altogether, and the 21,000 bars. 3 months worth of trading just like before, and now we have a total profit and loss right at a gain of $12,197. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $809. So definitely better results using the Nexus backtest indicator to dial in the strategy far better than the source video showed us. Now, if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join my Discord down below and go to the Nexus channel, and I'll guide you on how to get the access. And now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet, you can do so by joining the free Patreon down below in the description. But if you are interested in getting access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here, then you can join the $19 Patreon, which has tons of value in it. Not only do you get access to the Nexus backtest indicator, but you get access to all the indicators that I've used to create these profitable strategies. And then, of course, you get access to the strategy testing spreadsheet, which I've been tracking the testing for years now, tracking exactly which strategies are profitable and which ones aren't, as well as their win rates and links to those videos. But now with the strategies that I've used the Nexus backtest indicator on, I've also provided a layout link in that same spreadsheet, which means that once you get access to the Nexus indicator and you get access to all the indicators that I have created, when you become a patron of the channel, you can just click that one link and it'll bring up this exact layout as you see it on screen right now with the profitable settings already dialed in for you. And then from there, you can do with that what you wish. You can start forward testing it. You can start live trading it. You can play with some of the settings, or you can create your own strategies. And if all that wasn't enough value for you, I will also guide you on how exactly you can get these same results from strategies using the Nexus backtest indicator and the techniques that I've learned and created. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. Now, what I didn't mention a moment ago is that if you are still interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. What you'll do is just join the Discord down below in the description, go to the Nexus backtest channel, and follow the instructions in that channel. Please don't request access through any other means. It won't be granted. Another thing that I didn't mention a moment ago is that as well as the original traditional information that I track regarding these strategies in the spreadsheet, I've also been keeping track of the exact settings that I modify within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions here. And that does just a couple of things. One, it makes it really easy for you to replicate what I've done, especially if you have access to the indicators, custom indicators that I've created around these strategies. But it also gives you insight as to what really makes a profitable strategy. I think people get a little bit confused by what makes up a profitable strategy, and they lose sight of the real kind of secret sauce to that. And this really helps you identify how to turn almost any strategy into a profitable strategy, as I've been able to do in the last 80 different strategies that we've tested. So really valuable information, really cool stuff, and really easy to do. And so, all right, like I said, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original strategy was not profitable, and we will note the more profitable version, or actually profitable version, here in the spreadsheet like we normally do, and we'll move on to the next video from here.